Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are coming to you from my S63 AMG as the dogs play right outside. Yep, Legend is chasing his tail right now. Anyway, today is all about this word right here. Not about dogs trying to get in here. Oh, come on, dogs. Out. Get away. Yeah, today is about an apology because I am issuing the biggest apology in the history of Monkey Wrench Mike in this video. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, this one is for you. Chris, did I do that right? Am I pointing? Where am I looking? Like right here? Right here? Yeah, right here? Yeah, Chris. CKM Car Design, YouTube channel and website. Chris is the guy that sent me these buttons right here. He sent me this centerpiece right here because my little vents were peeling, and he sent me something else, and I put them on the car, and I didn't make a video about it. I forgot, and then I thought I lost the video. But I found the video, and so Chris, this is the man who sent me new taillights for my favorite car ever. This thing I love. I hope to keep it forever and ever. So Chris at CKM Car Design, this is your apology, and this is me saying thank you very much. I hope now that I have even more subscribers, more people will learn about your website and about your YouTube channel, and hopefully you can get some business out of this because I really appreciate this. And I'm so sorry that I forgot to do a video on these taillights. So with that, let's pick it up. We're going to go back in time to when I opened the box and found what Chris was kind enough to send me. Check this out. Okay, we are out here with the S63 AMG now. This is the third or fourth video that I'm trying to do today, hence all of this beauty. Yeah, okay. But you're not looking at me, you're looking at that. Give me a whistle. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, now these are beautiful. Let me just say, these are gorgeous. But Chris sent me these other ones, and he said he doesn't know if they're going to work on the US model, but there's a way around it if it doesn't, so he's going to help me with that. But he said they're 2010 and above, and they do something special. Okay, so the new taillights are going to do something special. I like these, but we're going to see what the new ones look like and what makes them so very special. Okay, so just like every other Mercedes, okay, you get this lovely black mat to deal with. There's basically just two clips you pop out right here. There's a little Torx screw right here. You unbolt, pick this up. This will give you access. Okay, undo your electrical plug right there. And then also, just like every other Mercedes, there are three 8mm bolts. We have one here, one right there, and then one on top. See that little guy right there? Give me the finger. Give me the finger. Okay, there he is. So undo those. Then you have an electrical connector right here. And this is literally just going to pop out. Okay, let me watch. Let me show you here. See? It literally is just going to easily pop out. There it is. Look at that. Isn't she lovely? Okay, we're going to gently place her over here in the grass, and we're going to bring in the replacement. The beast is looking a little cockeyed right now, and that's what we're calling her. Yeah, the beast, because she is a beast, just like Coach Beast on Glee. Remember her? Yep, one of my favorite shows back in the day. Okay, here's the old one. Here is the magnificent new one. See the difference? See the difference? Okay. What's the special feature? This says sequential on the box, so I'm guessing the lights will ooh, look at gross. Okay, so let's put this in. We have the three tabs removed, protecting the little place where the bolts go in. Literally plug and play. We have them installed, fit pretty good. Okay, I'm trying to kind of line up. I'm a little tight here, a little loose there. I can tweak this, but look at that. What do you think? Okay, as far as the connector goes, okay, it's just right here. So all you do is plug in your factory connector right here with these things aligned. It should snap right into place. There it is. And I think that's just almost it. Okay, let's just leave this out because I want to close it if I can. And see what it looks like. Let's close the trunk. I had to hide my license plate. Finally, Mike got smart and did that. Let's close it and see what you think. Okay? New. Old. New. And old. I want to back up. Look at the difference. Wow. Mikey really likes. Okay, let's see if it's gonna flash or something when I lock the door. Oh! Wait, what? Do it again, do it again, do it again. Oh! Okay, that's just something freaky with the camera. Okay, watch this. Watch this. And lock. Oh, sequential, I love you. I love you. Get ready, my favorite sound in the whole world. My favorite sound, here we go. All right, now that we're back in the present time, we're going to hopefully fix a couple of problems. This has been the most trouble-free car ever for Monkey Wrench Mike. I am loving it. I don't like this huge cord that I've got from my iPhone. It's like bending metal. It's so thick. Anyway, the car itself, love, love, love. The leather, the seats are so comfortable. The power, unbelievable. In fact, you want to listen? Here's what she sounds like. I love this car. I do. I absolutely love it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to let the engine oil heat up a little bit, and we are going to, don't look at that, that's not a problem, that's an opportunity to fix something. What we're going to do is change the oil, but it's very difficult to do with one arm. Look at that beast. Look at the beast that put together for me. Loving the car. Love, love, love it. But it's time to change the oil and give her some love and attention. And then I have a leak. Somewhere in here there is a vacuum leak, and it's literally the only problem I've had with the car. So hopefully we're going to trace that today as well. Right, Lola? Right? Good girl. Thank you. So pretty. We are under the car. I've removed the panel here. This whole thing is covered with a panel, which tells me, yeah, they were really concerned about aerodynamics. And we're going to drain the oil. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. I don't know what the big infatuation is with what comes out of this, but I get so many comments. So, without further ado, enjoy this. Enjoy this oil spill. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Enjoy it, folks. There it is, for your eyes only. Well, we've had a little problem in our planning. That's what happens when you have, I think it's 8.5 quarts of oil in a car, and you put in a pan that only holds 7 quarts. Yep, we got a mess. We got us a big mess. So we'll clean this up. We'll continue to let it drain. See the little drip right there? Yep, scoot in. There it is. Just a very fine little drip. We're going to get all of the old oil out. We'll button it up with a new washer. put the engine cover back on, then we go up top and give her the good stuff. But this, once again, ugh, that's a mess. That is all my fault. We're back up top now, and this is literally the windiest day in Oklahoma ever. Ever. For some reason, the wind is just crazy. Look at the sky, though. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous up there? Love it. You think some storms are coming. Forecast doesn't say so. But look at all these cars. Look at Lola. Okay, anyway, let's take a look. Back at work, Mike. Back at work. Okay, let's take a look at the old. We have a Hengst oil filter cap. We have a Hengst oil filter. Or Hengst. Going back inside. And this is what the old one looks like. There you go. It's been around the block a while. That's okay. He did his job. Thank you for your service. We'll put in the new one and all will be well. There's proof. Hengst is going in the Hengst cap. Look at that. Only the best for the beast. Yes. Okay. Anyway, this basically snaps right into place over this little appendage right here. And you screw it in. 25 Newton meters is all it has to be. Don't over tighten these things. Okay, the O-ring is there for a reason. For some reason, my microphone cord is flying all over the place. Okay, so we'll get this all tightened up. And then we'll put the new stuff in. Because it goes right there. See that little oil? Ooh, beautiful. Okay, we've got 9.3 quarts of the good stuff right in there. Loving it. Loving it. Loving this. I have made a huge discovery though. Never, ever, 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 get out. Change the oil when it is this windy in Oklahoma. Look, I've got 3 disaster zones. Well, 4 if I include him. Yeah, because he gets into everything. 1, 2, 3, actually 4. Yep. Well, 5 and 6 if you include my shoes. Yep, the wind has just poured that oil everywhere. Even on my good mat. I'm going to have to get me another good mat. Going to have to get me another dog too, right? No, I couldn't. You're too good. You're too good. Okay, she's buttoned up. She is ready to go. I've measured the oil. Everything is great. What I would like to do now is a smoke test, but I don't know if I can do it in all of the wind. I just don't know what I'm going to do. So let me think about it and we'll be back. We've made a big discovery. To do the smoke test, you actually have to get some blanking plugs because this comes off, your 2 air filter boxes come off. This is a mass airflow sensor. This is a mass airflow sensor. So this all has to come off. The blanking plugs attached to here. And I thought I could just cut out some wood. And then I thought, well, Mike, your woodworking skills are like nil. So we're going to get some plugs and then we will do the smoke test. So we're just kind of putting her back together right now. And we're going to give her a quick little start. And we're going to tell everybody how much we love this car. So let's do that. And let there be life. That's the issue we're going after right there. My hands are dirty because I've been working today. But that is a leak somewhere. That was Legend trying to get his giant tennis ball. You got it? There you go. Okay, good boy. Anyway, but let's listen to this engine because I love it. Look at that. 190 something thousand miles. As smooth and as quiet as can be. Love, love, love the car. Oh, I do not love this. Okay. Well, we need a hose. We need a radiator hose. Okay, that's permissible after 190,000 miles. That's okay. But, and it rained last night, so you have to forgive the condition of the car. But just look how beautiful. I love the car. She is as good looking as my dogs. There it is. Right? Where's your tennis ball, Legend? Where's your tennis ball? Look at that. Love this beautiful AMG, and I never even got the dent fixed on the backside either. But there she is in all of her glory. New tires, new oil, and she is loving life. Here we go. I still love that. It cracks me up every time. Is that not cool? I don't really need it now that I have the windows tinted, but I just think that is awesome as can be. I love spending time in the back seat. All right, folks, that's going to do it for this video for the Beast. She is named after the Beast on Glee. That's another Beast and a third Beast right there. Every time I start talking, you guys have to interrupt me. So we are back. We'll get those blanking plugs, and we will give this car a smoke test. I'm also going to look into probably getting a couple of mass airflow sensors. How expensive is that going to be? All right. And once again, another apology. I am so sorry, Chris, that I should have done the taillight conversion months ago, but I thought I lost the video, and you've been so kind enough to send me the parts for my car and the taillights too. So please accept my apologies. And if you haven't checked out his YouTube or his website, please go check it out. It's pretty amazing. He has all kinds of stuff for some very, very cool cars. All right. There's your little Mercedes nod. All right, have a good afternoon, a good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world, and come back again for another video, okay? Bye.